Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by anchoring the image with a simple grid. This controls proportion and keeps blocks consistent. Once the surface is primed, tape straight strips with painter's tape. Press edges firmly to avoid bleed. Mix each acrylic to a uniform opacity. Test one stroke to confirm coverage. You apply the first base color in solid, even passes with a 1/2 foam brush, moving along the grid. Make sure to work from background toward foreground, so edges remain crisp and predictable. Once the base is dry, you begin building blocks by adding midtones and shadows to create volume. Use slightly darker mixes, around 10 to 20% darker, to suggest depth without muddiness. Make parallel strokes that align with each block's edge. This reinforces the geometric aesthetic. Remove tape only after paint is fully cured between coats, then retape for adjacent areas. You refine intersections with a thin liner brush and a straight edge, because precise joins make the design read as intentional, not accidental. To finish, you varnish with 1 to 2 thin matte coats after the paint has cured 24 to 48 hours. Lightly sand between coats for a smooth surface. If you spot tape bleed, lift carefully with a damp cotton swab and repaint the edge with a small brush. This preserves the block clarity. Make sure to seal and sign the edges, then let the panel lay flat for 72 hours to fully cure. If colors shift, adjust with a glaze layer to harmonize tones.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.